Well, before starting the video, I want to show you some of the works that I did, and I apologize for the wheezing sound. I have got cold, so yeah. This is something that I did, and it's currently on the work in progress. And this, my friend, is something that I did when a YouTuber named Cash started a Draw in Your Style challenge on Instagram, and I did this. I planned on coloring it. I don't know if I should color it or not. It looks too damn gorgeous to ruin it. Yeah, so that's the entire piece, I guess. And here is the 100 characters that I'm going to draw for 100 subscribers. And this is the entire piece of paper that I got. I had a bigger piece, but I accidentally ruined half of it. Here I'm going to show you some of the simple shadow effects that you can form to make a two-dimensional object into a three-dimensional object. Here I have the shadow. Maybe the light source is coming from this side of the painting, so this portion here is going to be on the darker side. That gives us the validation that this is near and this is far. We can also add a bit of shadow versions like that. Just make it a darker version of that. This is an opaque object, right? Just like that. Gives you a three-dimensional view of this particular object. And now you can just go ahead and form this one here. Let's just say light comes from this side now. Alright? So this portion here is going to be casting a shadow. Just like that. Maybe that much should do. Let me just clip it there. This portion is going to make a shadow there. Just like that. I'll just cast a shadow there. Just like that. And this portion is going to have the shadowy side. And there you go. Okay. This side is going to be the lighter side, so I will make a bit of low tone there. Maybe a bit here, so just apply the cross-hatching technique. I should just give you a rough demonstration of how this works. Technique that shows the shadows there. And now we're going to the circles here, which are going to be spears right away. And this gives us the shadow there. Light coming from here. So this portion is going to be the light portion, the more shiny part here. And the shiny part is going to be standing here. So just go ahead and make this thing. Okay, so this part here is going to be reflective surface, and this part here is going to be the darkest zone. Just like that. Just like easy. And then we'll just blend it in there as much as we can. This gives us a lot of 3D look out this painting. This one is going to have a bit of dark shading of this. It's going to be a dark area, just like that. So this looks 3D than this 2D here. Right. So this explains the shadow. Now, we'll start with the shadows. What if I do, let's just say light comes from here and here. The lighter portion will be here, the shadows will come across like here, here, and here, over here, that's it. Yeah, let's just begin with that. So first the neck. The portion there, a bit of a shoulder, just like that. A little bit of light area here so that you can see a bit of light just coming from there. Give character a bit of realistic look. And just like that. You should do the fist, maybe you can add a bit of light here, a bit of shadow there. That's it. The leg, this leg is behind other one and is rather blending into the background, so make sure this has a much more darker area than the other one. So just give him a nice black shadowy area there, just like that. Yeah. And this leg is in the foreground and it looks like he's running, so we'll just add a little bit of shadow in there. Show you some light areas as well here and a bit here. These areas are just a bit of light areas and a bit of shadow near the knee, and here you can show some areas of shadow on the boot and maybe a bit on this side as well. Okay, this part here, when the arm is like guarding the light just coming from that side, and a bit is probably the darkest area that you can get in this entire character, and maybe a bit of dark area there. Let's move on to the hands here. The dark area first, some dark area there. Complete shadow area. So from the shadow and the entire painting, maybe a bit of shadow here, and that's it. Light here is going to be a bit reflective, so we'll just keep it like for now. So that completes our shadow.